Hi, here is the Canon Autoboy F. Overall condition is like this. Here is the battery compartment and it's using one CR1238 battery. Okay, next thing, by pulling here to open the back cover and put the film in. So about the film, we need to slide from the top to the bottom to make sure that the motor inside the camera is fit into the center point of the canister. Yep, like that. Okay, after that, put the film tip to here and make sure that the film is flat like this, and you just close it. Next thing, by clicking this orange button to on it, then it will download. You look at here, when it shows figure 1, which means that you can start shooting right now. And when you look into the viewfinder, at the center point there, got a bracket. So you just use that bracket to aim whatever you want to focus and half press the shutter. Okay, if it's blink, it doesn't blink, it light up like this, which means that it's okay, then you just click it. While if it's blinking like this, which means that either it can't focus or the flash doesn't ready. So maybe you slightly adjust a bit, yeah. Then about here is the timer button. So after you click it, then it will auto start counting back the timer. It's around like 10 seconds like that. Okay, and here is the flash setting. If you don't want the flash, you can click it and press the shutter, then it will off the flash. And here is the flash button, force flash. So if you want the flash, then you just click it and click the shutter together. Yeah. And the bottom here is the panorama mode. When you switch it, it will become narrow. In the viewfinder you won't see it, but you can see at the top here it got a P. So your framing is like this. Yeah, you can see the dot line. And if you don't want, switch to normal. Yeah, it will appear the P. And about the back here is the cross stick. While the year is until 2019 only, so maybe you can like switch to different mode. Like here is the date and the time mode. If you don't want, you can click like this, which means that it's off. And when you should finish the film, it will auto rewind. So there's no worry in using, as it's fully auto. And overall it's like this. Hope you enjoy it.